ప్రోటోకాల్స్ వల్ల వచ్చేసింది ఫుల్ జూమ్ వెళ్ళేసరికి
touch and salute the holy feet of Bharata Mata, the most powerful and the most merciful. Our beloved Gajendra Singh Sakhawatji, Honorable Minister for Culture and Tourism, our beloved Health Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Satya Kumar Yadavji, our Mandala Durgesh, our Tourism Minister, our beloved MP, Keshini Srinathji, and our President of the Village Utsav Committee, Murliji, my dear Telugu brothers and sisters, Andriki Namaskaram. Our national poet Bharati, though he has hailed from Tamil Nadu, when he was in his poem he has said, Seppumali Palletudayal eninum Sindanai Ondudayal and Sonar. We may be having and we may be speaking 18 different languages, but our thinking and dharma is always one. When he was talking about Telugu in his poem, he has prized Telugu like anything. He said, Sundara Teluginil Paathisettu என்று சொன்னார். ஏன் தெலுங்கை மட்டும் சுந்தர தெலுங்கு என்று சொன்னார் என்று சொன்னால், the reason is why he has said that while telling about Telugu as Sundara Telugu, that is Telugu itself is musical. It is melodious. It is sweet. That is the reason he has said that in his poem. And today we are celebrating the great festival of our culture, representing our culture, Vijayawada Save 2025. And as it was mentioned by our MP, that it is taking place in 5 places of Vijayawada, and this is the single largest festival in the world, and I wish this festival to be continued for another 100 years or more, and it will grow and grow. It will link the people together. Yes, it is linking all of us today, and this we had a wonderful day. What a day today. We always worship Goddess. Navaratri is for Goddess. Navaratri, we are celebrating so many festivals all over the country. But Navaratri is the most important festival, and this is the only festival we are celebrating for 9 continuous days. That is the greatness of it. Everybody is talking about equal right to woman, equal right to woman, equal right to woman. Navaratri is representing no equal right to woman, but women are more important than the men. That is what is 9 days has been allocated for Goddess, not for God. Diwali 1 day. Any other festival you take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days maximum. 9 consecutive days, for all the 9 days we are worshiping only the Goddess. That is the importance of society and culture and heritage we have given to the woman. Man is important means woman is the most important. And I got the honor of and the privilege for me to have the darshan of Kanakadurga Goddess, and today she is in the Alangar of Annapurni. Annapurni is giving everything for the hungry people. There cannot be any sacred act than serving the food to the poor. That is the greatness of today. That is the puja of today. That we worship God Annapurani, that you must give the strength for us so that we feed the poor forever without any hesitation. As long as we live. That is the prayer today. And we all know Vijayawada is one of the hottest place in the country. But the people of Vijayawada is the coolest people in the country. That has to be appreciated. We all know maximum chili is used in Vijayawada food, the most God food. But the people of Vijayawada is always affectionate and they love everybody. That is the real culture of Vijayawada, and I wish that Vijayawada is the most fast developing and most fastest growing city in the country. That one day Vijayawada is going to be one of the marvelous city of Bharat. And Andhra Pradesh is always with fertile land, hard working and feeding the food for the entire country. And our farmers, agriculturists of Andhra Pradesh are tireless working culture they have, and they are producing the rice for not only Andhra Pradesh, for the entire country. And I am sure Andhra Pradesh in the recent years has made significant strides in education, healthcare, infrastructure, development, public welfare, planned urbanization, and the most importantly, the economic growth of Andhra Pradesh is the most fastest and highest in the country today. And I wish you all Andhra Pradesh people, the day will come that Vikshit Andhra Pradesh is not a dream but a reality. Today Andhra Pradesh is mainly focusing on the women's empowerment, healthcare and their education. And Andhra Pradesh is emerging as a hub for the technology and innovation with the information technology and biotechnology sectors showing the rapid growth in the most modern scientific economy, and it is competing with the world. You go to America, the more NRIs are from which state, you can easily find that is from Andhra Pradesh. And the American economy is dominated by the Andhra Pradesh entrepreneurs. State achievement in tourism. When our MP was eagerly telling me when I was coming, he was eagerly telling me, sir, we are taking this festival as a spiritual tourism as to develop, and we will attend it. And I am very glad that after assuming the office of the Vice President, my first ever visit outside Delhi is Vijayawada. And the goddess I worshipped is Kanakadurga. And I am with you. This is my very first public address. And after I am assuming as the Vice President of the country, that I am honored today to share this good evening with all of you, the pleasant evening. It is going to be a memorable one because this is the very first Vijayawada show, and this is going to make a big pride for the entire Telugu community, and this is going to represent the great culture of Telugu, not only in India but all over the world. And Kanakadurga temple, along with many other temples in the region, plays an integral role in promoting religious tourism, as it was mentioned by our MP, and promoting feeling of integration and harmony in the society. Kanakadurga, as well as all know, represents the strength, compassion and divine and protection. Her name itself is symbolic of wealth and prosperity and utmost happiness. Navaratri has a powerful social dimension, and Navaratri underscores the importance of women empowerment, as I mentioned earlier. Andhra Pradesh is a very vibrant culture. Telugu culture is the basis for our Indian culture, as we all know. And I express my gratitude to all the people of Andhra Pradesh for their warm hospitality and unwavering commitment to the progress of our nation. When I was entering into the temple, the entire devotees who were there, they were showing their hand and saying namaste to me, because they all know that my very first assignment is coming to Vijayawada. So the people have shown their love and affection to me by heart. And I was told our Minister Sajaji is the in-charge minister for this Vijayawada town. Under him and with all the cooperation of our MP, MLS, my colleagues from both civil and police administration, this Vijayawada will grow further. And on this day, I once again pray to God and Goddess Kanagdurga that God should bless all of us with every wealth and happiness. Thank you. Nandi, Namaskaram.